Stop the presses. If you make this one mistake in your real estate business, it could cost you $500 a day or 2 years in prison. And the worst part of all, it doesn't matter if you're a wholesaler, rehabber, buy and hold investor. It applies to each and every one in all 50 states in the country. Regardless, you will have to do this if you want to stay out of jail. This is Charles Blair, the Mad Scientist, and I want to personally thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to leave a comment, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date on all of the brand new content we bring out on a regular basis. Okay, I know what you're saying. What are you talking about, mad scientist? You see, in 2021, a law was passed that's called the Corporate and Transparency Act of 2021, and it did not take effect until 2024. Now, what is the purpose of that law? That law states that if you are an LLC or a corporation, you have to file what's called a BOI, which is basically a form that says, okay, this is the actual owners of this LLC, corporation, etc. And it's called the Beneficial Ownership Information Report. You have to file that as of 2024. Yes, this has been underneath the radar for over 3 years, and now it's taking hold. So what does that mean when I say it's taking hold? Well, the reason for this law is a way for the government to check and see what's going on when it comes to your LLC. Make sure it's not doing anything illegal, like money laundering, terrorism, or some type of tax evasion. That's what they say the purpose of that law is. Now, the downside is you could go to jail if you don't fill out your beneficial ownership information report. Now, what does that look like? How about $500 a day fine with a maximum amount of $10,000 and or 2 years of jail time just by not filling this form out or filling it out correctly. Now, who's required to do this? Anyone that has an LLC, a corporation, or other registered entities. Now, who's not required? Sole proprietorships. And there's a couple other entities that's not required to do this. We'll leave that for another video. Now, enough with the small talk. I'm going to now dive into the website and show you exactly how to fill this form out. Let's go. Here we are at the website. It's called FinCEN.gov/BOI. Now, for those of you that are wondering, well, what does the word FinCEN stand for? Financial Crimes Enforcement. Stop the presses. A federal court in Texas has just ruled that the BOI report is unconstitutional. In a preliminary hearing, it had stated that that actual filing, you being forced to file it as an LLC and so on, is unconstitutional. And what that means right now is that you cannot be penalized if you don't fill it out temporarily until or if it is appealed by the government. Here is what you should do next. If you've already filled it out, no harm, no foul. If you haven't filled it out, you do not have to fill it out right now. Because of this preliminary injunction, it is no longer required temporarily that you fill out that BOI report. Stay tuned. I will keep you abreast as to what's going on with this. I am glad everybody has come to their senses. Take care. Charles Blair, Mad Scientist, signing out. Bye-bye.